Welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to talk with you about gold. I will talk about some technical analysis of the stock price of the gold price, and I will talk with you about physical gold, why I think that you should acquire physical gold and hold it, especially in these uncertain days. So first of all, let's look at the chart. What we're seeing right now is a weekly chart, closing prices chart of the gold price. Okay, so first of all, the first thing to notice is that since 2001, the gold have been skyrocket. You can see this exponential growth over here, and it reached the level of 1900 on 2011, and since then the price moved sideways, let's say in macro view, in some weekly chart view. So we can see some kind of weakness on the macro chart, the breaking down of the first trend line, the second one, and the establishment of the third one. But when we zoom in, and let me remind you, we are talking about 20 years over here, and overall the major bullish trend is still active. But when we zoom in into a daily chart, what we can see is the penetration of the level 1363 caused the price to gain a lot of momentum, and since June 19 we see that the price even didn't touch once the major uptrend line, and we see a secondary trend line with a much bigger momentum, where the gold price changing levels by penetrating resistance level and then find that resistance level as a support level. That's a key for a good trend in some security. So in this day we see that the gold price have achieved the level of around almost 1800. I believe, in my opinion, now is July 2020. I believe in January 21 we will see the gold much above $2,000. In my opinion, maybe even more. I'm very humble with this opinion, and technically it's looking great. Let's take it to more practical tips. If you take a look on the minor trend, we can see that 1753 serves as a good support level to initiate some new trades. So we have some side movement around the level, but in my opinion, any new retest of that level can be a confirmation for a good long trade, at least for 1918, which is the all-time high of the gold, which occurred on 2011. So this is my opinion by technical analysis, by trading the charts, no more than that. But now I want to move into physical gold. Here this is the Krugerrand I have, 1977, 1 ounce of gold, 34 grams gross, and 31 grams of gold, which is 1 ounce. And I bought this coin in March 19 in around the price of $12.95. So it's quite nice results, returns, sorry. But this is not why I'm holding physical gold. If I wanted to trade the gold in terms of paper money to stay in the fiat money game, I wouldn't buy a physical gold. I will trade the GLD ETF or So mining stock, for example. What I did when I bought this coin, I just got out of the game, got out of the system we have today. This is not a fiat currency. You can't print it, okay? You can't make it out of thin air. If you want gold, you have to dig in the ground, you have some machines, to have some workers to find some gold, and then make some process that I don't know about to make it pure and beautiful like this. And this is one of several characteristics we have to the gold that make his value very high throughout thousands of years. Um, Another thing is gold have a magnificent durability. It can't get rusted. You can't. You can put it on water. You can do anything. This gold coin, this is a perfect example. 1977. See how beautiful it looks, like new coin. It's almost it's almost 15 years. That's amazing for me. And the major reason I bought that coin is because I believe and I think that we are heading into a massive inflation in our economy, which will cause our fiat currencies, the dollar or any nation's currency, to collapse. And I want to protect myself. Because if such an inflation occur, it means that the gold price will raise up massively. Does it mean that I will sell it if the gold price will get into $50,000? Absolutely not. Because when the gold will achieve, and it will achieve, in my opinion, in some day in the future, $50,000, it means that dollar worth nothing. You literally can wipe it out in the toilets. You know, it's the value of gold is still the same. It's still one coin of gold. Okay, when we see that the price of gold in dollar terms raise up, we can say that it's not raise up in the value of the gold, but a decrease in value of the dollar. That is the proper perspective you need to have about money, because this is the real money. So my strategy is, with the assumption that the fiat currency system is going to disappear in the coming years, I want to have some safe haven to transform myself into the new system. It might be Bitcoin, it might be, I don't know, but I know that I preserve my value of money over here. With that being said, I suggest you to acquire physical gold as a percentage of your overall financial assets. And I'm talking about 5% of your financial assets to 10% of your financial assets. We still need fiat money to operate daily activities, to buy things from the grocery stores, and to make a living. But we need to be prepared for the next monetary mayhem. And this is the solution, guys. So I hope I make some contribution for your view about the coming events in the near future. And I hope that I gave you a proper lesson about gold and the purpose of holding it. Please press the like button down below. Comment below if you didn't understand, and if you want to understand what is the real purpose of gold, if you have any further questions. And subscribe to my channel. I have much more knowledge to give you in the coming few weeks. Stay tuned and have a good week. Bye everyone. God bless you.